Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to create AliExpress account. So AliExpress is an online shopping platform. So if you want to create the account, simply launch up an AliExpress application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here AliExpress application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, first of all, select the country or region. Tap on the country or region that is selected right now. Now simply tap on the country or region of your choice. Now tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the sign in interface. Due to privacy and security reason, this interface will not be recorded, but I'll tell you what to do. You can either continue with email or phone, or you can also continue with Google, Facebook or X if you want. If you do not have the account yet, simply tap on any of these options and you'll be prompted to create the account for yourself. Here I'm just going to create the account with my email. So tap on the field of email or phone number. Now provide the email or phone number over here. Now after providing the email or phone number, tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here a 4-digit code will be sent to your email. Simply open Gmail. You can see over here Gmail has been opened. AliExpress has sent me the email. Simply tap on it. Now over here you'll be able to find your verification code. Memorize this code. Go back to the AliExpress application. Now simply enter that code over here. Now you can see over here you've successfully created the account. If you want, you can also create the passkey. If not, tap on the option not now. Now you can see over here your AliExpress account has successfully been created. You can go ahead and set up your account if you want. So that is how you create AliExpress account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.